So, I'm excited! So my name is Maayan and I'm gonna share with you how I turned my disability into my superpower by sharing some stories from my life in the hope it's gonna resonate with you and your personal stories. And I'm gonna do it for the first time in English and for the first time in only 15 minutes. So let's dive in. I'm an actress and I actually finished the program like 2 months ago. It was a life-changing experience, to be honest. I think that everything like happens for a reason. And it's like it just felt right from the very first beginning. The personal connection with my coach, she was amazing. And the whole community, I love communities. And community is power. And to feel that you can actually learn in a place where you have a community that can make connections and collaborations, it's so powerful. I mean, I finished the program 2 months ago and I'm still here and I want to stay and I have friends and we have like so much in common and so much to talk about in English and it's amazing. I mean, 2 or 3 months ago I did my one-woman show in English for the first time in my life and I wouldn't have done it without Express, period. I did my show and then Q&As in front of native speakers and I did it. I remember telling Karin, my coach, that I think I would pass this challenge. And I just did it and I'm proud of myself. Eventually, I now realize the great name of Express, the whole thing is about expressing myself. And I couldn't express myself if I was thinking too much about how I say and what word should I use. And now I can just express myself and to make mistakes and to love myself, although I'm making those mistakes. But I'm extremely happy and full with gratitude about where I am, about meeting Express and all the people and all the community. And yeah, I'm ready to go home to sleep.